Ever felt like you're navigating a digital ocean full of hidden currents and potential threats? What if you could command a pocket-sized cyber dolphin, capable of sensing invisible signals, probing digital locks, and fortifying your defenses? Get ready, tech enthusiasts and security pros. Because today we're diving deep into the Flipper Zero, your ultimate, open-source security Swiss Army knife. Let's unlock its full potential and transform you into a digital guardian. Welcome to the Flipper Zero experience. We're not just unboxing a gadget, we're unveiling a powerful platform for security exploration and skill development. This compact device is packed with specialized hardware, each component designed for specific cybersecurity tasks. Understanding these elements is your first step towards mastering its capabilities. Let's get hands-on with the Flipper Zero. You'll immediately notice its vibrant screen, intuitive navigation buttons, and robust build. But the real magic lies beneath the surface. A potent sub-GHz radio for long-range communication, a versatile NFC module for close proximity interactions, and a precise IR port for infrared control. These aren't just features, they're your tools for digital reconnaissance and control. Beyond these, the Flipper Zero boasts GPIO pins, opening up a world of hardware interfacing and custom projects for the DIer in you. We'll also explore the microSD card slot for expanded storage and the USB-C port for connectivity and charging. Each part plays a crucial role in making the Flipper Zero an indispensable asset for security professionals, hobbyists, and students eager to learn. Now, let's unleash the Flipper Zero's prowess in network scanning and analysis. This isn't just about finding Wi-Fi networks. It's about understanding the invisible digital landscape around you. For security professionals, this means conducting preliminary site surveys and identifying potential vulnerabilities in wireless infrastructures. With its advanced capabilities, the Flipper Zero can meticulously scan for Wi-Fi networks, revealing SSIDs, channels, and even hidden networks. It's an invaluable tool for understanding network density and identifying rogue access points. Furthermore, it excels at discovering Bluetooth devices, allowing you to map out nearby connections and assess their security posture. But it doesn't stop there. The Flipper Zero can also sniff Zigbee signals, a common protocol for smart home devices and IoT ecosystems. This feature is crucial for identifying unsecure devices or unauthorized transmissions within your environment. Mastering these scanning techniques is a fundamental skill for anyone serious about cybersecurity and penetration testing. Prepare to delve into the fascinating world of RFID and NFC security, where the Flipper Zero truly shines as an educational guide and practical tool. This section is vital for understanding how access control systems work, and more importantly, how to test their resilience. We'll explore the nuances of reading, cloning, and emulating various card types. Imagine being able to read the data from an RFID badge or an NFC card with a simple tap. The Flipper Zero makes this possible, allowing you to analyze the stored information and understand its structure. This skill is invaluable for security audits, helping you identify weaknesses in physical access systems that might otherwise go unnoticed. Beyond reading, you'll learn how to clone these cards, creating duplicates for testing purposes. This practical application demonstrates the ease with which some systems can be bypassed, highlighting the importance of robust security measures. Finally, we'll explore emulation, where the Flipper Zero can mimic a legitimate card, providing a powerful method for penetration testing access control systems in a controlled environment. The Flipper Zero isn't just about wireless signals. It's a bridge between the digital and physical worlds thanks to its versatile GPIO pins and powerful IR port. For DIYers and students, the GPIO interface is a playground for hardware hacking and custom projects. You can connect sensors, actuators, and even other microcontrollers, expanding the Flipper Zero's functionality exponentially. Think about integrating custom circuits to monitor environmental conditions or control external devices. The possibilities are endless. This hands-on experience with GPIO not only enhances your technical skills, but also deepens your understanding of embedded systems and hardware security. It's a fantastic way to develop practical engineering and cybersecurity expertise. Then there's the infrared IR port, a feature that transforms your Flipper Zero into a universal remote control. You can capture and replay IR signals from virtually any device, from TVs and air conditioners to garage door openers. This capability is not just for convenience. It's a powerful tool for understanding and testing the security of IR-controlled systems, revealing potential vulnerabilities in everyday devices. One of the most exciting aspects of the Flipper Zero is its vibrant, open-source community and the endless possibilities offered by custom plugins and scripts. This is where your skill development truly accelerates, allowing you to tailor your Flipper Zero to specific security challenges. The device is designed to be extensible, encouraging users to contribute and innovate. You can extend your Flipper Zero's capabilities far beyond its out-of-the-box features by installing community-built plugins. These can range from advanced sub-GHz tools for deeper radio analysis to specialized firmware that unlocks new functionalities. For security professionals, this means having access to a constantly evolving suite of tools for various penetration testing scenarios. Furthermore, the ability to run Python scripts directly on the Flipper Zero or interact with it via a host computer opens up a world of advanced automation and custom attack vectors. This empowers tech enthusiasts and students to develop their own tools, experiment with novel techniques, and contribute to the collective knowledge base. Exploring GitHub repositories for Flipper Zero projects is a treasure trove for learning and collaboration. Now let's bring all these powerful features together in a thrilling live demonstration. Securing a smart home with the Flipper Zero. This practical application will showcase how this single device can act as your personal security auditor, identifying and mitigating risks in real time. Watch as we transform theoretical knowledge into actionable defense strategies. We'll begin by using the Flipper Zero to detect rogue Wi-Fi signals and unauthorized Bluetooth devices that might be lurking in your smart home network. This proactive scanning helps identify potential entry points for attackers. Next, we'll test the integrity of entry sensors and smart locks, ensuring they are not susceptible to common bypass techniques using RFID or sub-GHz emulation. Finally, we'll demonstrate how to block unauthorized access attempts and reinforce your smart home's perimeter. The Flipper Zero will alert us to suspicious activity, allowing us to take immediate action. This live demo isn't just about showcasing the Flipper Zero's power. It's about empowering you to build a more secure and resilient digital living space. Are you ready to elevate your cybersecurity skills and become an unstoppable force in the digital realm? The Flipper Zero is more than just a gadget. It's a gateway to a deeper understanding of technology and security. Download the latest firmware, explore the vast community forums, and start experimenting with its incredible capabilities today. Don't just watch, participate. Smash that like button if you found this tutorial informative and engaging. Tell us in the comments below what your favorite Flipper Zero feature is, or what security challenge you're excited to tackle next. And for more cutting-edge hacking tutorials, in-depth security guides, and skill-building content, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your journey to digital mastery starts now.